Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I'm doing the first time the unboxing video, and today I have one wireless microphone and one battery for my Canon camera. So this is what I got today. So let's make a unboxing this one. So what's inside? It's a nice shirt here, and okay. Oh, no. Wow, it's a solid set. Saramonic. Nice box, I like it. It's very nice. And let's go inside. Wow. This is the things what I need to see. Wow, this is really nice. Saramonic is the receiver and this is the microphone, and I think we should charge this one from here. Then we need to take it out completely. Wow, oh, it's here is a charger. Wow, it's quite nice. So I think this see how it's charger, and yeah, cool. It's very nice. And let's see what's inside. Some document, I think, about the Saramonic, and yeah, it is. I don't know this plastic or what. I hope this is the wireless connector, a wire for the charger. Oh, how much for it? This micro, something like that. Everything is here. Yeah. I think that's it. Okay, this page. Oh, we need to charge. It's connected with the iPhone. I think this is the part. And for the this called, I think, the camera. Can connect with the camera. I'm going to break this. Yeah. There it is. Wow. This is small microphone. But why is no? As the way need to this much cable. I don't think it's good. This is how to connect with the camera, I think. This is the data cable for the charging. Yeah. And this is for the Android. For the iPhone, they give a very nice packet, and for the Android, they give open. It's not there. And here is some. Oh. This is for the mic thing. Okay, put in. Okay, let's see. I think we can speak direct here also. Okay, good. And we speak direct also. But why this give the too much long? I don't understand. It's supposed to be short, and but here, right? It's not supposed to be too long. Oh, here is one. Okay, this is the one setup, which is can connect direct. Okay, and this is the one for the thing for the one here. It's really, and we can extend with the cable, and I don't know, just from the like this, connect here, type of. Yeah, cool. Yeah, this is the normally we need normally. So two. Yeah, the boxes I really like. It's very nice. Very nice. It's very cool. That is supposed to be this two step also here. then it can really easy. But anyway, I like box, very nice. Module and battery 4500 mAh, 7 volt. Wow, it's really nice. There's a whole battery setup, I think. Very nice. I like it. And let's move side and let's open camera battery. Today I got this one as well. So a little bit expensive. It's not expect that much expensive. Okay, let's open this one. I don't know where to open. I think maybe I have to cut here. Let's cut now. It smells better to be. Paper and one battery. All of this. All of it, yeah. Okay. All of it. And now I start here. So let's put it. What is this? Canon limited. This is for the Canon R6 Mark II, my camera, because I need to one extra battery for the especially studio recording and some other long video recording purpose. So I need a 2 battery. So today I buy one extra battery. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget like and subscribe my channel. See you in next video. Thank you.